Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to make the header full color in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document and take a header. Now we want to make this header full color. Double click on the header and select the text. Click and drag on your mouse. Then go to the home menu and select the font color option and apply the colorful color, or you apply another effect like text effect, shadow, etc., or another text effect, or increase the font size and decrease. Then double click on our page. Now we can see here we make header full color very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.